Yeah, that former prosecutor says it's those refusals that play a big part in allowing these crimes to continue across New Orleans. The DA also responded, though, saying these refusals are still being prosecuted, just not by him.
Another display of illegal stunt driving took place in New Orleans last weekend. Former Orleans Parish prosecutor Blake Arcury says two cases in particular point out why he believes people are emboldened to keep doing it.
The New Orleans Police Department that investigated and made this case chose to bring it in criminal state court because they thought it was serious. It involved a risk to human life. Jason Williams takes the case and reviews it, and then makes a decision. I'm going to send this to a place where you go if you run a red light.
NOPD released this wanted message in November of last year asking people to help them find Jermaine Turner and Devin Curley for allegedly doing donuts and burnouts in front of spectators at the intersection of North Claiborne Avenue and Columbus Street. Eventually, the two were arrested and taken to court, but documents show DA Jason Williams refused charges in both cases. Williams' office answered our questions as to why those charges were refused in a statement, saying their office did a detailed review of the reports and evidence, but they only supported misdemeanor charges. So they referred it to the city's attorney office to be prosecuted in traffic court. Arcury says these charges were always misdemeanors, and there was no reason for the DA to refuse them.
Most of the charges in criminal court are Title 14. It's a more serious misdemeanor and felony. Those are tried every day in that building. Misdemeanors are tried every day in that building. And I think any judge that saw that evidence, overwhelming evidence, with a video, with photographs, with license plates, with photos of the individuals, would have gone ahead and convicted, and I think would have given jail time for that.
Jail time that City Council made easier for judges to give in these cases last June. That's when Council passed a new ordinance that penalizes stunt drivers with a $500 fine and up to 30 days in jail for a first offense and 90 days in jail for a second offense. City Councilman Eugene Green, who authored that ordinance, didn't comment on these two particular refusals, but says that law should be used by prosecutors.
Within our justice system, we just have got to do something so that people feel that there is going to be justice when there's obvious attempts on the parts of others to terrorize them.
Green says he's waiting on more information from the city attorney's office on the outcome of those two refused cases. He says as soon as he gets that information, he'll give it to us, and we'll be sure to give it to you. For the full statement from the DA's office, you can see that on our website, WDSU.com. Reporting live, Eli Brand, WDSU News.